First up, we're going to tackle an all-time favorite, vegan fried rice. Start by heating a generous splash of sesame oil in a large pan. Add in diced onions, minced garlic, and grated ginger. Stir them around until they're golden and fragrant. Now, toss in some chopped veggies. Think bell peppers, carrots, peas, whatever your heart desires. Give it a good mix, then push it all to one side of the pan. Pour a bit more oil on the empty side and add in cooked, chilled rice. Stir it around, letting it sizzle and soak up all the flavors. Finally, add a splash of soy sauce or tamari for that quintessential Asian flavor. And there you have it, a quick and easy vegan fried rice. Next on the list is a comforting vegan risotto. Begin by sautéing onions and garlic in olive oil until they're soft and translucent. Then add arborio rice and stir until it's well coated in the oil. Now, the key to a good risotto is patience. Slowly add vegetable broth one ladle at a time, stirring constantly until the liquid is absorbed before adding more. When the rice is creamy and cooked to your liking, stir in some nutritional yeast and a handful of fresh herbs for an extra burst of flavor. Our final recipe for today is a vibrant vegan paella. Start by sautéing onions, garlic, and bell peppers in olive oil. Add in a generous pinch of saffron and smoked paprika. Now stir in short grain rice and coat it thoroughly in the spicy oil. Pour in vegetable broth and simmer until the rice is tender and the broth is absorbed. Then add in some artichoke hearts, peas, and roasted red peppers. Stir until everything is heated through. To summarize, we've covered 3 mouth-watering vegan rice recipes today. We started with the versatile vegan fried rice, a dish that allows you to play around with whatever veggies you have on hand. Then we moved on to the creamy vegan risotto, a comforting dish that requires a bit of patience but rewards you with a rich and satisfying meal. Lastly, we explored the colorful world of vegan paella, a Spanish classic filled with vibrant veggies and aromatic spices. Remember, cooking is an art. Feel free to experiment with these recipes, switch up the ingredients, and make them your own. After all, the best dish is the one that you enjoy the most. Happy cooking!